how to generate a Google Translate API key. So if you want to do this, go ahead to your account first, and you're gonna put in mind that this isn't free. You're gonna have to pay a specific amount depending on what you're going for. But with that out of the way, again, go to the account you want to do this on, and go to your Google Cloud Console, or yeah, your Google Cloud Console. Go to the top left, which is your navigation menu, and go to APIs and services, and then you go to your library. In your library, you're gonna have to search for your cloud translation API. You can do it over here. You can search for that cloud translation API, then press on search. You'll have two results. Just enter the first one, and then you're gonna have to press on enable. Pricing's over here if you want to see, but once you enable that, you can go ahead and either go back to your APIs and services and then go to your credentials. In your credentials, you're gonna have to click on create credentials, which is right here. Then you can choose API key, and then Google will instantly generate your API key, which you can copy and then use in your app. But before using the key, make sure you secure and configure it properly. Click on the created API key and then set the application restrictions like HTTP referrers or IP addresses, and limit it specifically to the Cloud Translation API to prevent misuse. Also ensure billing is enabled on your Google Cloud project if you want, since the Translate API is a paid service with a free tier if you want to check that out. And once done, you can start making requests using this process. But that's pretty much how you do this. So hopefully the information of this video can help you, and if it can, please like and subscribe for more videos like this, and that's all.